Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Mega File Preview not working issues in 2026. If images, videos, documents, or other files won't preview inside Mega, this guide will help you solve the problem step by step. First, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. File previews require Mega to load content from its servers, and connection issues can prevent previews from appearing. Next, refresh the page or restart the Mega application. Temporary glitches can sometimes stop file previews from loading correctly. Now verify that the file format is supported by Mega's preview feature. Some file types may not be available for direct preview. If you're using the web version, clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can interfere with preview functionality. Next, try opening Mega in a different browser or an incognito window. This can help determine whether browser settings or extensions are causing the issue. Now temporarily disable VPN services, proxy settings, or browser extensions that may block scripts or media content from loading. Next, make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. Older browsers may experience compatibility problems with online preview features. If you're using the desktop or mobile app, update the Mega application to the newest version available. Now test the preview with a different file. This can help identify whether the issue is related to a specific file or the preview system itself. Finally, sign out of your account, sign back in, and try opening the file preview again to refresh your session. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Mega File Preview not working issues. Your files should now open and display properly within Mega. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.